Dear students, welcome to digital learning platform of Department of College Education. We have been discussing how to use laws of logarithms for solving complex arithmetical calculations. So in this session we shall know one more example on how to use laws of logarithm for solving complex calculations. So using logarithm tables, find the value of fifth root of 14.3 into 0.265 whole divided by 7.8 raised to 3. So let the value of fifth root of 14.3 into 0.265 divided by 7.8 raised to 3 be x. So log x equals log of 14.3 plus log of 0.265 minus 3 into log of 7.8 divided by 5. We know that when we apply laws of logarithm, the root value, the root sign is replaced by division sign. So fifth root, so 5 becomes denominator, and product sign into becomes plus, and division becomes minus, and 7.8 raised to 3. This means 7.8 into 7.8 into 7.8. So 7.8 has to be multiplied by itself 2 times. So as per the law of power, m raised to n equals n into log of m. So 7.8 is the m, 3 is the n. So n into log of m, that means 3 into log of 7.8. So this divided by 5. So log of 14.3 is 1.1553 plus log for 0.265 is minus 1.4232. When number is less than 1, the characteristic is negative and it is 1 more than number of zeros after the decimal point. So in 0.265 after decimal point there are no zeros plus 1 is the characteristic and it is negative. And mantis of 26.5 is 4232. This minus 3 into log of 7.8. So log of 7.8 is 0.8921. So when there are negative characteristics, we have to separate characteristics on one side and mantisas on the other side. So characteristic plus 1 minus 1 on one side, mantissa 0.1553 plus 0.4232 on the one side. So this minus 3 into 0.8921 is 2.6763. This whole divided by 5. So plus 1 minus 1 characteristics get cancelled. What remains is 0.1553 plus 0.4232, which is 0.5785. This minus 2.6763. So dear students, we know that 0.5785 minus 2.6763 is not possible because the number is less. 2.6763 is more than 0.5785. This cannot be, 2.6763 cannot be deducted from 0.5785. So therefore, what I will do is, I will add 3, a value of 3 to 0.5785. This becomes 3.5785. This minus 2.6763. Now 2.6763 can be deducted from 3.5785. Because I have added a value of 3 to the 0.5785, now in the end I deduct 3. So 3.5785 minus 2.6763 minus 3. So 3.5785 minus 2.6763 is 0.9022. This minus 3. So minus 3 0.9022. So minus 3 is negative characteristic and multiply is positive 0.9022. See, minus 3 cannot be deducted by 5. So therefore I deduct from minus 3 a value of minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5. Since I am deducting minus 2 from the minus 3, I add plus 2 to Mantissa 0.9022. So 0.9022 plus 2 is 2.9022. So minus 5 divided by 5 becomes minus 1. 2.9022 divided by 5 becomes 0.58044. So log x is minus 1.58044. So x equals antilog value for minus 1.58044. So antilog value for 0.58044 is 3806. When characteristic is negative, we know that the result would be less than 1 or the result is fractional value. So when negative characteristics, the number will be less than 1 or it will be a fraction. So here the answer is 0 point something. So after the decimal point, how many zeros we have to put is decided by the numerical value of characteristic. So 1 is the numerical value of characteristic. 1 minus 1, 0. So after the decimal point, there would be 0 zeros in the result. So the answer is 0.3804. These are the references I used for making this presentation. Thank you.